just zonked out.
What did you bring me?
Where is it? It's in our bedroom. What the fuck was that?
Monkey, what have you got today? Give me them chipsticks.
This doesn't belong in here. This is not one of your babies.
Oh my god!
Is that a goldfish? Dude, where the did you get a goldfish? What?
Bring it here.